Oh shit, smack the mic. Hello world, my name is Atari, aka Horny Atari, aka Kill for Atari. And in today's video we have ASPEN KARTIER, I Miss You Slime. Now, we just reacted to her boyfriend. In my noodle, I'm thinking ex-boyfriend. I don't know if TopOppGeen, if y'all didn't know, ASPEN KARTIER here. She was dating TopOppGeen. That's why TopOppGeen made that song, Cute Like Aspen. Feel me? She was in the video. Yada yada. Anyways, I'm not sure if he broke up with her because this bitch is a animal abuser. Start giving her dog combos and shit. I'm not sure what's going on, but she got a song called I Miss You Slime. I ain't seeing no more TopOppGeen and Cartier, so I'm guessing this is towards him. We finna see what she talking about. Now, if y'all don't know who ASPEN KARTIER is, quick overview. She is a female drill rapper from Chicago. That's about it. Let's get into this video. If you're new, hit the subscribe button. Make sure you leave a like on the video. And we finna get into it. Yo, already, gang. She gotta be talking to this nigga, TopOppGeen. She know about this. You don't know nothing about this. Man, this bitch born in 2006, man. You don't know. The fuck?
They asking why I'm so hurt. They asking why I wanna spin. Cause built up trauma, I'm hurt. Eliminate problems is getting worse. My brother gone, can't vent no more. Let's get up and spin, don't diss no more. Our best niggas been calling my phone like what he on, can't slide no more. And shout out Sin, cause before I sound would've lost my mind. These hoes my idols, they picking my style. And that jail shit the present, I'm losing my mind. Before I time commit these crimes, I miss my brother, let's get out the slide. Remember,
I'm not gonna lie, y'all know I said this in my other videos. When females be rapping, I don't really take it serious, especially like with the ASPEN KARTIER, cause like she's cap rap, bro. She's a girl, bro. But like I'm not gonna lie, the flow is there. She's snapping right now. I'm not gonna discredit the flow. The song's sounding hard right now. She's saying a little real shit. I'm catching the lyrics here and there. Like all this dropping the rakes, even the hand tattoo, like bitch, yo. I mean, what can you expect from Chicago? But like, bitch, you crazy.
they asking why I'm so hurt. They asking why I wanna spin. Cause built up trauma, I'm hurt. Eliminate problems is getting worse. My brother gone, can't vent no more. Let's get up and spin, don't diss no more. Our best niggas been calling my phone like what he on, can't slide no more. And shout out Sin, cause before I sound would've lost my mind. These hoes my idols, they picking my style. And that jail shit the present, I'm losing my mind. Before I time commit these crimes, I miss my brother, let's get out the slide. Remember them times we just needed a ride. Pull up a fence and lose our mind, I miss you, slime. You told me these hoes wasn't my friend, I was moving slow. Now you
Hold on, I could be wrong. Fuck TopOppGeen. She could be talking about her brother that got killed. I'm tripping. Yo, I'm sitting here thinking about
let's get up and spin, don't diss no more. Our best niggas been calling my phone like what he on, can't slide no more. And shout out Sin, cause before I sound would've lost my mind. These hoes my idols, they picking my style. And that jail shit the present, I'm losing my mind. Before I time commit these crimes, I miss my brother, let's get out the slide. Remember them times we just needed a ride. Pull up a fence and lose our mind, I miss you, slime. You told me these hoes wasn't my friend, I was moving slow. Now you looking down like you told me so. Now you looking down like told you so. They crossed that line, can't come back now. I'm young and turned, trying to find my route. High as fuck, trying to come back down. Too many voices, gotta tune them out. Eliminate problems, getting worse. The bills due, can't skip the first. The government ain't helping, I need a perk. I miss you, slime, you was putting in work.
damn, nah, I ain't gonna lie, she is sliding, gang. I'm not gonna cap, she is sliding this bitch, bro. Yo, she is not on that tough gangster shit like she usually be on, bro. I ain't gonna lie, bro. Like, this is real deal shit. Like, she ain't even saying that. I mean, all the sliding and shit. We know you're not sliding and shit, but we gonna skip over that because, you know, the beat, you feel me, the song sliding and shit right now. So, yeah, that she ain't doing no sliding on Ops Block. She doing sliding in the studio. So, right now, she is sliding. Ain't gonna Yo, she swung the door, ran right in the studio, bro.
You told me these hoes wasn't my friend, I was moving slow. Now you looking down like you told me so. Now you looking down like told you so. They crossed that line, can't come back now. I'm young and turned, trying to find my route. High as fuck, trying to come back down. Too many voices, gotta tune them out. Eliminate problems, getting worse. The bills due, can't skip the first. The government ain't helping, I need a perk. I miss you, slime, you was putting in work.
She said the bills, dude, can't skip the first. Nah, for real, bitch.
They asking why I wanna spin. Cause built up trauma, I'm hurt. Unlimited problems is getting worse. My brother gone, can't vent no more. Let's get up a spin, don't diss no more. Our bad niggas been calling my phone like what he on, can't slide no more. And shout out singing, cause before I sound would've lost my mind. These hoes my idols, they picking my style. And that jail shit the present, I'm losing my mind. Before I die, I'm committing these crimes. I miss my brother, let's get out the slide. Remember them times we just needed a ride. Pull up a fifth and lose our mind. I miss you, slime.
I'm not gonna lie, that I miss you, Slime. That shit tough. Nigga. And here I go. Oh shit, my bad. Here I go thinking this nigga was talking about TopOppGeen. Nigga, she talking about her dead mans. Said that boy is putting in work. Yo, no disrespect to the dead, of course, but like, that was a good song. I'm not gonna lie. That's getting added to my playlist. The only reason I even reacted to this shit because I thought she was gonna be talking about TopOppGeen, nigga. She was talking about somebody completely different. But yeah, that was "I Miss You, Slime" by ASPEN KARTIER. Not gonna lie, I'm actually surprised. I fuck with this song. This song is actually tough as hell. I heard one other song by her. That shit stuck in my head every time I think of her. It go like, turn me off when I get to bapping. Turn me off when I get to bapping. Turn me off when I get to bapping. Yo, that shit is fucking hilarious, bro. But nah, this is actually a good ass song, bro. But anyways, if you enjoyed the video, make sure you leave a like on the video. Subscribe to the channel if you're new. And I will catch y'all in the next video. See you later.